The D-Day for the old notes to be used in a transaction across paying public utility bills or petrol pumps, even government hospitals, milk booths. From today till midnight only you can have old 500 and 1,000 rupee notes used for these transactions. Beyond that, they won't be used. My colleagues are joining us this morning. You have Shalini and Parbina who've been tracking from the national capital. Now, Parbina, coming to you first. At the metro station, many have been using their old 500 and 1,000 rupee notes, breaking them down. And from midnight onwards, you do not have the extension till now from the government to use these notes. Are we seeing a rush of people using and trying to give out the old notes and trying to finish their quota of old notes today?
Well, not really, Devina. What we see is most of them, as I entered the metro station also, most of them have already managed to use their old currencies, or they are now just looking forward to deposit whatever they have. So there's no sense of panic or rush as such. But few really are still expecting that if the government could extend it, because they are still left with some old currencies. But in a sense, if you see, people are calm, people are taking it, people do understand that today is the last day and government has already extended from 14th to 24th, so they are okay with it for as of now. And what they are left with and remain with is they can go, they say they will go to a bank and deposit it.
Okay.
What they didn't say is that, well, while the government and the opposition are fighting about it, if the government, instead of standing in long queues, if the bank can actually help them, and so the depositing and the withdrawing can get a bit faster, will help them.
All right. Also going across to Shalini at the moment. Shalini, are you seeing a last-minute rush of people at petrol pumps? You've been tracking and speaking to people since morning for using their old 500 and 1,000 rupee notes.
Well, Devina, since morning it's been chaos at this petrol pump here in Mayur Vihar. Everyone coming in, everyone putting in a full tank. Over here you have this person, this truck driver, sir, आप full tank भर रहे हो यहाँ पे?
फुल टैंक कह रहे हैं मैम।
और कैसे पेमेंट क्या दे रहे हो आप? पुराने नोट?
हाँ, पुराने नोट दे रहे हैं मैम।
कौन से 500 और 1000?
500 के नोट है, 500 के नोट है मैम।
तो आप बैंक के जाने के बजाय यहाँ आकर
यहीं जो बचा होचा था नोट सब यहीं पे लाके दे रहे हैं मैम।
This is what he has to say. Instead of going to the bank, he'd rather come here to this petrol pump and get his tank filled, a full tank here. Let me talk to this employee, sir. Sir, क्या सुबह से आपको 500 और 1000 की पुरानी नोट?
हाँ जी।
यहाँ पे बहुत रश है क्या?
नहीं, सुबह से हमारे पास खुले नहीं है, इसलिए हम 500 का मजबूरी में गिर रहे हैं।
They're even giving old 500 rupee notes as change here at this petrol pump. Here you can see this man paying him with two 500 rupee notes here at the Mayur Vihar petrol station. And this is how it is. Queues, the traffic is congested. A lot of people standing here waiting patiently because they all understand the need of the hour, all understanding each other, all saying that we'd rather come here, spend 2,500 to 3,000, fill our entire tank instead of standing in line and getting our money exchanged, because 4,500 rupees is not enough.
Well, the good news is, Shalini, the good news is that the banks will still accept the old notes till December 30th. So will the post office bank accounts, post office saving accounts, where you can give your old 500,000 rupee notes. So thanks for joining us.